The following is Fall 2008 Math 125 Department Final. In this video, I will do number 27, 28, and 29. Number 27 will combine and simplify these rational expressions. Now, I will start by factorizing this part here, because I need to have LCD to combine them, common denominator, but we can't really read the common denominator if this is not in factorized form yet. Okay, so this is equals to x plus 2 over x minus 1 minus 2 over x n minus 22 over that will be x plus 10 x minus 1. Okay, and then from here I see the LCD is x plus 10 x minus 1, right? Let me do that one. It will be x plus 10 x minus 1 x plus 10 x minus 1 and x plus 10 x minus 1. Now here I originally have x plus 2, but I have, because at the bottom I multiply by x plus 10, so here I will multiply by x plus 10. Okay, now this for the second expression, originally I have 2, but because I multiply the bottom by x minus 1, so I multiply the top also by x minus 1. Now the last one, I don't have any adjustment, so I copy down whatever I have up there. Now then, the next thing I will do, I will put them together. Okay, now and at the bottom I have x plus 10 x minus 1, but at the top I will, let me FOIL this. This is x squared plus 12x plus 20 minus, I distribute this, minus 2x plus 2 minus 22. But be a bit careful though, be a bit careful, especially when you subtract by a group. Okay, maybe it's safer for you to write this as, it may be safer for you to write it as negative 2 times x minus 1 first. Okay, it may be better, but if you can be careful enough, then go ahead with distribution right away. Now and then from here I will combine like terms, x squared, what will that be, plus 10x only on the top, and at the bottom I have x plus 10 x minus 1. I can factorize the top, common factor x, and at the bottom I have x plus 10 x minus 1. Now here I will cancel x plus 10, right? But when you cancel x plus 10, it implies x plus 10 is not equals to 0, or x not equals to negative 10, right? That's the requirement. Therefore, the final answer, the simplified version, will be x over x minus 1, provided that x is not equals to negative 10. Okay, now from there we see that the answer is B. Now that's for number 27. Let's see number 28. Number 28, as usual, I will need to factorize this first. 5 over x plus 10 plus 2 over, let me factorize that right away. I think that will be 10 times 8, right? So it will be x plus 10 times x minus 8 equals to negative 4 over x minus 8. Now from here I will multiply each term there, each rational expression there, I will multiply by the LCD, which is x plus 10 x minus 8. Okay. Now the first term, if you multiply by x plus 10 x minus 8, it will cancel the x plus 10, right? So I will have 5 times x minus 8 left, plus On the second term, I will have 2 left equals to negative 4 times x plus 10. Now from here, I solve it, I get 5x minus 40 plus 2 equals to negative 4x minus 40. 5x minus 38 equals to negative 40 minus 40. Oh, I mean negative 4x minus 40. I'll move this 4x to the left hand side and this on the right hand side. 5x plus 4x equals to negative 40 plus 38. 9x equals to negative 2, so x equals to negative 2 over 9. Now, however, before I go on, this is, we will see that's the answer, but one thing you need to check. You need to check against the domain of the equation. You need to check that, you need to make sure that x is not equals to negative 10 and x equals not equals to 8, because otherwise you will have the denominator equals to 0. Okay, but for now we can see that we are okay, and therefore the final answer is E. Okay. Now number 29. Write the quotient in standard form. Here we have the division of two complex numbers. Now what I will do next is to multiply by the conjugate so that the denominator being rationalized, right? I will multiply this by the conjugate of the denominator, which is 5 minus 4i. Okay, now what is the purpose? So that the denominator becomes 25 plus 16. Now I wonder if you know what is the reason behind it. Well, it's really about the difference of squares. The product of these two, 5 minus 4i and 5 plus 4i, is equals to this. If this is difference of squares, right? So that will be 25 minus 16i squared, right? But 16i squared is you need to change the sign, and therefore you get that 41 later on. Okay, now on the top, however, I keep it that way, you know, just in case I can reduce something with the denominator. So let me keep it that way for now. Apparently over 41 is not something I can reduce with 3, right? Now then from there I will distribute the 3i. I get 15i minus 12i squared over 41, but 12i squared is negative 12, so minus negative 12 is 12 minus 15i over 41, which if I write it in standard form, there will be 12 over 41 minus 15 over 41i. It's okay? Hold on, it's supposed to be plus here. Plus, yeah, because the 15i is positive. Okay, now from here we see that the answer is D. Okay, now again, this is for fall 2008 Math 125 Department Final number 27, number 28, and